When the current generation Mitsubishi Montero Sport rolled out in 2015, we praised it for being miles ahead of its predecessor. Not only that, it was also one of the models that ushered in the new wave of pickup-based SUVs. Sure, the rear was controversial, but no one can deny the fact that it remains to be a hugely capable SUV. However, the current model is now one of the more seasoned veterans in its segment. The Montero Sport is 8 years old, and the all-new Isuzu Mu-X and Ford Everest make the age of the Mitsubishi very apparent. But a report from Australia says Mitsubishi is fighting back, as the next generation Montero Sport is coming soon. According to motoring website Drive, the all-new SUV is slated for a 2025 debut in Australia. With that, there's a good chance that the all-new Montero Sport might make its global premiere by mid to late 2024.